finishing detailing, and often the most pleasing detail of so many buildings and homes, are made of metal. Take a look at most modern houses or flats and you'll see stunning balconies and balustrades, often with glass suspended inside the metalwork. On a less grander scale, railings, metal stairways and handrails are an important part of the vast majority of normal everyday buildings. But who do you turn to when they break or fail, or simply wear out? You can always ask neighbours and friends if they have a welding machine that you can borrow. You can hire one from a hire shop, or you can get it repaired properly, with a guarantee that the work will be finished to the right standards using materials that will last. Also, as most welding systems require an electric supply and an earth, safety is something not to be taken for granted. If your requirements are for a large project, you'll almost certainly want the best engineering processes followed and the best designs produced, along with the design drawings delivered to the best standards. If you are looking for a small repair or specifically fabricated handrail for an elderly relative, you'll want to make sure you are getting the right quality at the right price. So how do you go about doing that? Well, you can follow the advice in our free report and talk to the businesses we feature. They are reputable companies with talented and dedicated people working inside them, who can more often than not accommodate almost any job. The key is to have a good idea of what you are looking for, or at least sketch out your ideas, so that the designer has a starting point from which he can work to make sure your ideas are included in the final design or fabrication. For steel fabricators in Bournemouth and Southampton, get your information pack guide, How to Find a Reliable and Cost-Effective Steel Fabricator in Bournemouth and Southampton, and a list of the top 10 fabrication and welding companies in the Bournemouth area. Simply put your email in the box provided. There's no obligation, the report is absolutely free and you can subscribe anytime you please.